Hi guys, welcome to Geekbuying channel. Today let's take a look at the newly released phone from Xiaomi, Redmi K20 Pro. In this video, we'll go over the unboxing and the overall review of it. Let's go! So here is the packaging of Redmi K20 Pro. Open it, you will find a rectangle box, which contains a pin, a simple case, and the manual warranty card. Under that you will find the phone itself. The K20 Pro has three colors, which are flame red, glacier blue and carbon black. Let's put aside first, we'll take a closer look of it later. Then we have an 18-watt charger. In fact, the K20 Pro supports 27-watt fast charge and a Type-C cable. Now move to the phone. The screen is 6.39 in diagonal and comes with Full HD Plus resolution and 19.59 tall ratio. It is pretty much bezel-less. And that's why the front-facing camera made its way to the pop-up mechanism from the top side. The Snapdragon 855 chipset was already teased. But now we know the K20 Pro arrives with 6 or 8 RAM and storage between 64 and 256 gigabytes. Round the back, you get an evocative gradient pattern and 3 cameras, with a 48-megapixel primary sensor that features Sony's IMX586 module, the same as the OnePlus 7 Pro. There's also an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 13-megapixel wide-angle shooter with a 124-degree field of view. As already teased earlier, it brings 960 FPS slow-mo video recording. The elevating selfie camera of the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro has a 20MP sensor, and of course it has AI capabilities. Much like any other flagship, the Redmi K20 Pro's battery, coming with 4000 mAh capacity, also has fast charging capabilities. It brings the 27-watt standard, already seen in the Xiaomi 9 and Xiaomi Black Shark 2. The manager claimed on stage it can charge 58% in 30 minutes and completely fill the power cell in 74 minutes. The Redmi K20 devices will have Game Turbo 2.0 that allocates resources for gaming. In addition, the mode implements a smart switch from Wi-Fi to 4G networks for smooth connectivity and zero lag. You also get NFC, a 3.5mm jack with Qualcomm's AXDIC high-resolution audio codec, Wi-Fi AC, USB-C charging, and Bluetooth 5.0. That's it guys, thanks for watching. For the most updated prices of the Redmi K20 series phones, please check out the link in the description. As always, Geekbuying provides you excellent customer service and high quality products. Stay tuned, see you next time.